Now again continue with this, with the example which is based on the multiplication of matrix. Now let's take the next example. If A equal to if A equal to 1 minus 1 2 minus 1, B equal to A 1 B minus 1, and A plus B whole square equal to A square plus B square, then find A and find A and B. Now let's solution. A plus B whole square is equals to A square plus B square. So A plus B whole square we can write like as A plus B into A plus B. Now by using the distributive law, so I can write like as A plus B into A plus A plus B into B is equals to A square plus B square. Now it is A square plus BA plus AB plus B square equal to A square plus B square. Now A square plus now A square plus BA plus AB plus B square equal to A square plus B square. Now so this condition is possible only when BA plus AB equal to null matrix. So the matrix B is A 1 B minus 1. Matrix A is 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 plus A matrix again 1 minus 1 2 minus 1. The matrix B is A B 1 and minus 1 equal to 0 0 0 0. Now solve this matrix. The A into 1 A plus 2. Now it is minus A minus 1. It is now B minus 2. It is minus B plus 1. Then plus, now 1 multiply with A, so A minus 1 multiply with B minus B, 1 multiply with 1 1 minus 1 1 plus 1. Now 2 multiply with A 2A, minus 1 multiply with B minus B, 2 multiply with 1 2, then minus multiply with the minus 1 is plus 1 is equal to 0 0 0 0. Now it is A plus 2 and A minus B. So 8. So it is 2A minus B plus 2. Now this one is minus a plus 1. Now it is 2a minus 2. Now it is minus b plus 4 equal to 0, 0, 0, 0. So now by equating the matrix minus a plus 1 equal to 0, so a equal to 1, minus b plus 4 equal to 0, so b equal to 4. Now 2a minus b plus 2 equal to 0. Now if we put the value in this equation, then if this value is satisfy the equation, then it is correct. So 2 into 1 minus 4 plus 2 equal to 0. Now the sorry sorry now if we put the value if we put the value a equal to 1 and b equal to 2, now it is a 2 minus 4 plus 2, now it is 0. Now left hand side equal to right hand side. So now the correct value for the a and b is b equal to 4 and the a equal to 1. Come on the next now the next question is, if a equal to 0, 1, minus 1, 0, find x and y such that xi plus ya whole square equal to a. Now in the solution we have a equal to 0, 1, minus 1 and 0. So now xi plus ya x 1, 0, 0, 1 plus y 0, 1, minus 1, 0. So it is x 0, 0, x plus 0, y, minus y and 0. So after adding we get x, y, minus y and x. Now in the question is given xi plus ya whole square is equals to a. So now y minus yx is the xi plus ya. Now we need to square, so we need the multiplication of this 2 times. So xi plus ya whole square is equals to x y minus y x is multiplied with x y minus y x. So now if we multiply, then we get x into x is x square, y into minus y is minus y square, x multiply with xy, y multiply with again xy, minus y is multiply x minus xy, x multiply with y minus y, again minus x minus again minus xy, minus y into y, minus y square plus x square. The xi plus ya whole square is equals to a. So x square minus y square 2xy minus 2xy x square minus y square. is equal to 0, 1, minus 1 or 0. It is given to a 0, 1, minus 1 and 0. So if we compare or we equate the equations, we get the x square minus y square equal to 0, 2xy equal to 1, minus 2xy equal to minus 1. So 2xy equal to 1, x square minus y square equal to 0. Now if x square equal to y square means x equal to plus minus y, and the 2xy equal to 1, 2xy equal to 1. Now consider the case 1. If x equal to y and 2xy equal to 1, if x equal to y and the 2xy equal to 1, so the 2x square equal to 1. So now apply that x square equal to 1 by 2. So if x equal to 1 by root 2, then y equal to 1 by root 2, and if x equal to minus 1 by root 2, then y is also minus 1 by root 2. Now case second is x equal to minus y, so 2 and 2xy equal to 1, minus 2x square equal to 1, so x equal to plus minus iota upon root 2. If x equal to iota by root 2 means y equal to minus iota by root 2, and if x equal to minus iota by root 2, then y equal to iota by root 2. Let a equal to 0, minus 10 alpha by 2, 10 alpha by 2, 0, and I be the identity matrix of order 2, show that I plus a equal to I minus a cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. It is given in the question. Now let's start the solution. Now I plus a. Now the I plus a is 1, 0, 0, 1. I is the identity matrix, and a is 0, minus 10 alpha by 2. It is 10 alpha by 2. It is 0. Now if I add both the matrix, so it is 1, minus 10 alpha by 2, then it is 10 alpha by 2, it is 1. Now similarly I minus a is 1, 0, 0, 1, sorry, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, minus 10 alpha by 2, tan alpha by 2 or 0. So we get 1 minus tan alpha by 2 minus and minus and the minus and minus is plus tan alpha by 2. It is minus tan alpha by 2 and it is 1. Now in the question is given the I minus a is multiplied with the cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha now by this matrix. Now similarly if we multiply in the both the side this, now the I minus a is multiplied with cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha is equal to 1 tan alpha by 2 minus tan alpha by 2 and 1. Now it is cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Now the sin alpha cos alpha, now first of all converted into the tan form. So 1 tan alpha by 2 minus tan alpha by 2 1 cos alpha is in the form of tan is 1 minus tan square alpha by 2 upon 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. Now the sin alpha is minus 2 tan alpha by 2 upon 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. Now sin alpha 2 tan alpha by 2 upon 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. Now the cos alpha is 1 minus tan square alpha by 2 upon 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. Now let's consider the tan alpha by 2 equal to t. Now it is simple for us to simplify this. So I have considered the tan alpha by 2 equal to t. So 1 t minus t 1. Now it is 1 t minus t 1. Now it is 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. It is 2t upon 1 plus t square. Now it is minus 2t upon 1 plus t square. It is now 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. Now let's simplify the first thing. Now the 1 is multiplied with the 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. Now the t is multiplied with this. So finally I get the 1 minus t plus 2t square upon 1 plus t square. Now similarly here I get minus 2t plus t minus t cube upon 1 plus t square. Similarly minus t plus t cube plus 2t upon 1 plus t square, and here 2t square plus 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. Now after this, now after the simplification, now I have done the mistake here. Now it is a 1 minus t square. 1 minus t square. Now we get 1 minus t square plus 2t square is 1 plus t square upon 1 plus t square. Now here minus 2t plus t minus t cube, minus 2t cube 1 plus t square. Now common, if I take the common, the minus 2t plus t is a minus t. If I take the common minus t, then it is 1 plus t square upon 1 plus t square. Now here it is again t, 2t minus t is a t, so take the t is common, 1 plus t square upon 1 plus t square. Now here the 2t square minus t square is t square plus 1 upon 1 plus t square. Now after the simplification we get the 1 minus t, t 1. So I minus a, sorry, I minus a cos alpha minus sin alpha, sin alpha cos alpha is equals to 1 minus tan alpha by 2, tan alpha by 2 1. So it is I plus a. 1 x 1 1 3 2 2 5 1 15 3 2. One 2 x now is equal to 0. Then find the value of x. Find the value of x. Now solution, we have 1 x 1 1 3 2 1 3 2 2 5 1 15 3 2. 1 2 x equal to 0. Now first of all multiply these two, 1 x 1. So I get the 1 into 1 1, 3 into 2 6. So 1 plus 6 is 7 plus 2x. Now the 2 into 1 2, 5 into 2 10. So 5, now the 10 plus 2 is 12 plus x. Now it is 15 plus 6 is 21 plus 2x. Now it is equal to 0. Now the first thing, the multiply, the 1 is 7 plus 2x plus 12x plus x square plus 21 plus 2x equal to 0. So we get x square plus 16x plus 28 equal to 0. So by factorize the middle term splitting, we get the x plus 14 and the x plus 2 as a factor of this is equal to 0. So x equal to minus 2 or minus 14. Now the next example is, let f of x equal to cos x minus sin x 0 sin x cos x 0 0 0 1. Show that f of x into f of y equal to f of x plus. Now in the solution we have the f of x into f of y. So in the matrix, f of x is cos x minus sin x 0 sin x cos x 0 0 0 1, and the cos y, sorry, f of y is the x is replaced by y, so it is cos y sin y 0 sin y cos y 0 0 0 1. Now the f of x into f of y, now multiply, so we get the cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Now here we get the minus sin y cos x minus sin x cos y and 0. Here again sin x cos y plus cos x sin y minus sin x sin y plus cos x cos y 0. Now here 0 multiply with cos, 0 with sin, and the 1 0 with finally 0. Here is also finally 0. Now 1. Now f of x into f of y is cos x into cos y minus sin x sin y is cos x plus y cos x plus y. Now if I take the minus sign as common, then sin a cos b cos a sin b is a sin a plus b. So it is sin x plus y 0. Now it is sin a x plus y is cos x plus y 0 0 0 1. Now the f of x into f of y equal to f of x plus y. Now in the next class, in the next class or in the next video, we will continue with the question which is based on the matrix polynomial.